If you want to hide your following list on Instagram, this guide will show you the exact steps you need to follow. So, first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in to your account. So, once you're inside the app, you need to go to your profile. So, you can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. So this will open settings and activities. So from here, scroll down and under who can see your content, tap on account privacy. Now inside privacy settings, look for private account. And once you find it, turn it on if it's turned off. So switch to private account. So read all this. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. So this won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you and etc. And click on switch to private to confirm. Now after turning on private account, your profile will no longer be public. So this means that only people who follow you and are approved by you will be able to see your following list. So if someone is not following you, they won't be able to view who you are following. So if you want more control, you can also manage your followers. So to do that, go back to your profile, tap on your followers list, and remove any users you don't want to have access. So to do that, open the profile and click on the three dots at the top right and click on remove follower. So click on remove once more to confirm. And that's it.